Oh, it's Randy again. It's Randy again. Guess what we have here in Brooklyn? This is what? What's this?
That's dasheen leaf.
Dasheen leaf.
Dasheen.
This is dasheen.
We sell the leaves because it's season.
How did you get the dasheen here?
You just cut it and set it.
Where did you get it from?
Right at the supermarket.
Oh, you cut it and set it. So who bought this from you?
Grenadians, Trinidadians, Guyanese, they use it for callaloo.
Oh, this is their callaloo.
So back home in Jamaica, when you make pepper pot soup,
Pepper pot soup use dasheen leaf.
use dasheen leaf.
So what's this?
Those are celery. Celery. And this is basil. Very good for the heart, diabetes.
That's good for the heart? You make it dry?
Yeah, I dry it and make the tea in the morning and I get up, just make tea.
Oh, so you keep, what about green? You don't blend it green? Why not?
No, but because, you know,
Do you drink it?
when you're making pasta, it's great when you're making pasta, that's what
amazing.
you use in pasta. And that is celery. What it does, it makes the heart valve flexible.
The celery leaf.
The celery.
And how do you prepare that?
You can juice it, juice it around in time when you make the power drink and offer your son.
Oh, so this is the celery. It has the celery.
As a matter of the celery and the kiwi is good for the eye.
Celery and the kiwi.
2 good stalk of celery and 2 kiwi, blend it in the morning and drink it and empty stomach to help the eye.
Okay. What's this?
This is mint.
It's mint.
This is forget what kind of mint you call it.
Oh, okay. We have some small tomato. All right, we're gonna have to go to your farm, your farm and see what's going on. Okay, people, see?
But I have tomato. You can come fill that tomato.
Okay. So you can see here, this is Brooklyn, New York.
Long beans. Let me show you long beans.
She has long beans. Let's go look at that. And this is what? You have scallions.
Scallions.
These
I
are
go
all
clean
organic
it up.
scallions,
And then you have the Jamaican hard tomato. See them here? Jamaican axe heart.
Okay, so these are all organic. They're the original tomato.
From Jamaica.
These are original.
No, look at good one. Regular, dirty.
I need some tomato.
Jamaican
How much a pound for the tomato?
It's $2 a pound, see there? Jamaican
$2
axe
a
heart.
pound. Those are the real things.
Jamaican axe heart tomato we grow here.
Oh, look
We
at
keep
that.
it, it's a heirloom, we
No
keep it.
GMO.
No, sir.
Are they real
No
things?
pesticide.
No pesticide.
The thing that we plant has no chemical, no pesticide.
So,
That's the smaller
on
tomato.
Saturday, you guys have the market. What's the cross street?
Skink
Skink.
and new lots.
Skink and new lots.
And that's is cucumber, which is one at top of the line. Good for the hair, good for the skin, for your hair, for your skin. You juice it, drink it, and keep your body hydrated. And this is now string beans. I just pick string beans.
What are these good for?
As a matter of the tip of this, provide insulin for people who are diabetic. This tip. So when you cook your string bean and if you cut off the tip, it has insulin. And this is cilantro, which is very good for the body.
What's it good for?
Cilantro. It's not just a season, but it's good for eye health too, the seeds.
And what's this over there?
And these are bitter melon. Go around that this side.
Okay.
That's bitter. These are the cerassee that we grow in.
They said these are bitter melon.
Yeah, this is something like the cerassee, but here is the cerassee. Do these small ones. These are the cerassee what we grow in Jamaica. And the people then buy it and eat it. You cook it with saltfish. You cut it open, take out the seed, saute it with codfish. It tastes very nice. Keep your blood sugar down. Keep your blood pressure down. Cleans the body. This is the same family. So when I was in Jamaica, I didn't know this one. What I know was the cerassee, but you can blend this in your juice and drink it. Take out the seeds, we eat the seeds, save the seed to plant back, and juice this. So this you can put in your power drink. I put in my power drink. But this is Cerassee from Jamaica. They make one here. But the people here, Vincentian and Trinidadian and Guyanese, they eat it. They cook it and eat it.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica, we never know could have cook, so we just wait till it ripe and eat what was inside. But here, it's cooked. I cook it one time with catfish. Amazing.
Yeah.
Garlic, tomato, codfish saute. Cook the codfish saute. This Cerassee, you open it, take out the seed, saute it. Excellent.
But it looks like soursop a little bit. We have to.
And then we have, notice we have different types. You have this one, which is different from this one, which is different from this one. So you all different types. And I have a round one, but I don't have it today. And this is also different. So you have actually 1, 2. So they look like Cerassee. They grow on the same bushing like Cerassee, and you use the leaf to drink. They actually sell the leaf in this.
So let me get a crate from. I'm gonna get a bag from a friend so we can get stuff for him. All right, and her.
This is $3 a pound.
$3 a pound.
$3 a pound for that. The string bean is $3 a pound.
$3 a pound.
Cucumber is $1 a pound. Well, it's over there. The tomato is $2 a pound.
So we'll go upstairs. I'll take a pound of each.
So.
All right. So people over the world, you have to come to Brooklyn. What we're talking about here is some of the purest food. No GMO, no pesticide,
no chemical.
No chemical.
And they plant with a lot of love.
You know, lots of hard work. You know, I film it, they plant it. You know.